Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Peggy for 1K Court and I am so happy and excited that you are here. Today's video will be all about cocktails. I had promised that I was going to get this video out and I am delivering today. If you're new here, please join our family, hit that subscribe button and notification bell and join our ever-growing beautiful family here on YouTube. And if you're my old timer, thank you so much for always rocking and rolling with me. I love and I appreciate you so much. Now, when my husband and I go out to dine, whether fine dining or whatever, the first thing I always ask for is the cocktail menu, because I want to see what's on the cocktail and what's on the menu. And I'm always so excited to try something different, you know, old-fashioned, all kinds of cocktails. And they're not really cheap. You know, especially when it's a fine dining restaurant, it's not really cheap. And so I'm like, you know what, honey, I would love to whip these cocktails at home by myself, you know, for both of us to be able to enjoy, you know. Of course, when we go out occasionally to have fun, that's okay. But when we're home, in the comfort of our home, I can whip up something for us to have, you know, with our meals or Sunday dinner or something. And my husband was like, go for it, girl. And I was like, okay. So that's why I'm making cocktails, and I love to entertain. And when we have friends over, you know, I love to, you know, whip up something really nice for them to have with their meals, you know, or just have a good time. So pretty excited to share just a few recipes that I have for you guys. Yeah, so I wanted to get a few glasses, cocktail glasses that I could use to entertain, and so I got this one. This is one of the ones I really very obsessed with. This one, it's gold and it's really gorgeous. Totally obsessed with this one. And then this is ribbed and it's got that gold rim, so really cute. Love this one. This is an old timer. I've had this one for years. It's got the crystals at the bottom and gold rim as well. And then these ones I think I got from Maya or so. I've had this for quite a while. I actually didn't know I had them until I opened one of my cupboards and found it. I was like, oh, this is really cute. I could use this, you know. So yes, so let's get started. And here is my bar cart that I styled for the holiday. I will be placing it here so that I can whip up these cocktails very easily. So I invested in a few essential booze like Cointreau, rum, chata, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct, tequila, and yeah, all these Saint Germain and what have you. There's triple sec as well too, and vodka. You've got everything in there. This is how I styled it for. Everything was the other way around. What's at the bottom was on the top, so yep. So here is my bar cards and let us get started whipping some lovely cocktails. Our first cocktail is going to be a raspberry Cosmopolitan, and we are going to put 1.5 ounce of vodka, and 0.5 ounce of Cointreau. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Cointreau. Now let me tell you something about this drink. I'll tell you the story after I'm done putting it together. And then we're gonna put 0.5 ounce of cranberry juice. We've got cranberry juice here. Put 0.5 ounce of cranberry juice, and we're going to put some freshly squeezed lime juice. Just kind of cut this right here like so, and then put that in our, this is so cute, and squeeze that in our shaker like so. That is so satisfying. Like so. And then some strawberry jam. We're going to add some strawberry jam in there. Just take about this much and put in there. And we're also going to use it to rim our glass as well. So right now we're going to put some ice like so. And then we're going to rim our glass, like I had said. Put some in here, right? I'm gonna rim our glass like so, around it. Gonna coat that, and then we're gonna place that into our sugar. We're gonna place that into our sugar like this. Okay, do that a bit more so we have it well coated. And now we're gonna give it a very good shake. Up and down. Okay, like so, like so, like so. Okay, I think that's good. Now we're gonna use our strainer and strain to make sure we don't have any jam going in, like so. It's perfect. All right, it looks good. Okay, we're gonna cut a little slice to garnish, like so. Okay, well, that's not a very good cut, but it's okay, it will work. And then I'm gonna put that like so right here. Okay, that's good. And there you have it, our strawberry Cosmopolitan. Cheers, guys. Let's taste. So rich. So rich. Love it. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. All right, that Cosmopolitan was fantastic. Now let me get to the gist about Cointreau. So I went to a party back home, and we were served drinks, and this was on our table, and you know, with some glasses and everything. And it was my first time actually tasting the Cointreau, and I just thought, well, it can't be that bad. So I put quite a bit in my cup. And the friends I was with was like, look, Peggy, you got to go easy on this Cointreau. It has that sweet note, but then has that like very potent alcohol that hits you once you start drinking it. So I was like, oh, please, I can handle that, right? And I'll just go and I'll just sipping and sipping away. Let me tell you something. I got home. I don't know how I got home. I didn't drive. Someone, you know, we had a friend that came and, you know, drove us all home. And how I got into the car and got home, I have no clue, but I know that I got home. So yeah, this is very strong. So, and I love it. It has lovely notes in here, lovely notes. So fantastic for cocktails. So that's the gist about Cointreau. All right, so our next recipe is our lemon ball drop cocktail. It's perfect for New Year's, and because we're gonna put some glitter in it, you know, to welcome the new year, and it's festive. It's beautiful. So start with 1.5 ounces of tequila, and this is a very good tequila blanco. I use it for so many of my cocktails, and it's very, I love how rich it is. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounce of tequila blanco like this, and then we're gonna do 1.5 ounce of Cointreau again for this recipe, 1.5 ounce. And then okay, we're gonna cut lemon and squeeze lemon into our shaker like so. I love this gold and black lemon squeezer. Yeah, let's get every little bit in there. Good. And then we're going to put some simple syrup right here. We're gonna do like a tablespoon of simple syrup into our drink like that. And then we're going to add some edible glitter, just a little bit of edible glitter. This I got from Amazon. It's very good and safe for consumption. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there like that. Okay, I'm gonna put some ice in there. Shake, 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 shake like this. And okay, so now we're gonna rim it with some lemon like this. Just rim around the edge, rim the rim. And then we're going to place that over our sugar like that. All right, just coat it really nice like that. And then we're going to put our drink in like so. Look at how beautiful it is. I just wanted to zoom in so you can see how gorgeous it looks with the glitter on top, and absolutely beautiful. Let's taste and see. Absolutely fantastic. All right, now, so for our third cocktail, this is called the Cranberry Paloma, and we will start off with cranberry juice. Of course, we will put in 2 ounces of cranberry juice in our shaker. 2 ounces like so. And then we're gonna put 1 ounce of lime juice. Cut our lime like so. The fresh lime. I mean, you could get store-bought, but fresh lime just tastes, I don't know, I just think it tastes a whole lot better because it's fresh. So squeeze some lime juice in here, and I just love using this to get all the juice out like so. It's so satisfying to use, I promise you. You need to get one of these. I'll put this in the description if you're interested in purchasing this lemon squeezer. And then we'll put in 1 ounce of simple syrup. Simple syrup is right here. Put that in like so. Like so. Okay, put in our 2 ounces of tequila blanco in here. And I put in some ice, and now we're gonna shake. Pour it in and see what goodness we have here. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love. And we're gonna pour in some sparkling water. I'm gonna use some Perrier water and put in a little bit like that. And then we're going to garnish with a sprig of rosemary like this. And then we're gonna put in this dried fruit I got from Amazon. Just put it on top like so. Oh, I want it to float. It's not floating. Let's see. Okay, like that, right? And then it looks so beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness, just look, so pretty. So, and then we taste. Oh my goodness, so good, so good. And that the rosemary just releases that added flavor to it. It's really good. Love it. Okay, so for our final cocktail, I made these orange rose ice cubes. I just cut oranges in half and then made them into like little flowers, right? And then poured orange juice into it and into this mold that I got from Amazon. I'll put a link if you're interested. So all you just need, and then freeze it. It froze for close to about 24 hours. And then all you just do is pop one out like so. I'm gonna just take one of these and place it in our glass like so, and we're gonna pour Prosecco or your Moet or Chandon. I don't know how that's pronounced. Well, let's open this baby up like so. And if you have a guest that doesn't drink alcohol, they can have this fancy mold in the glass and just put water in it, you know, if they don't drink alcohol, so they're not left out. Okay, so now how do you open it like so, twist and twist. Oh, I'm just in the right way. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're doing it. And then we pop that open, and now let's get that open. Oh my, yes, Happy New Year. And then we're gonna pour into our glass. Oh, look at that. Isn't that just pretty? Look. Put some more, and there you have it. Isn't that so beautiful? I added, when we did the ice mold, I added some glitter, some edible glitter in there, and it just looks so fancy and so cute. And so cheers, Happy New Year, guys. And there you have it, 4 lovely cocktails that you can use to ring in the new year with your family and friends. Beautiful, festive, and just gorgeous and taste wonderful. I hope you've enjoyed the whole process. This is my first time doing cocktails, so it might not be perfect, but I hope to get better with each, episode. So hope you've enjoyed watching it, and look forward to sharing more cocktails. Don't think a cocktail has to be only summer. There's so many winter cocktails that I'm going to share with you guys, and you can just make at home. Just the convenience of being able to make it at home and just enjoy having a lovely day, night, whatever it is, with your spouse or significant other. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and save, share with your friends, your family, share with everyone, and look forward to seeing you in my next episode, where I'll be taking down all my Christmas decor and resetting for the winter. So thank you so much for watching once more. Have a lovely, happy new year, and wishing you all a fabulous year filled with blessings and all that your heart desires, and just peace and joy. Have a blessed new year, blessed 2024, and cheers, guys.